You may be asking yourself, what's the difference between Chem-Dry and steam cleaners? Typical steam cleaning relies on chemical-based cleaning solutions using soaps or detergents that leave behind a dirt-attracting residue, causing your carpets to look dirty soon after they're cleaned and possibly causing damage to carpet fibers over time. Chem-Dry uses the power of carbonation and a natural cleaning solution to safely and efficiently remove dirt and grime from carpets, so your carpets stay cleaner longer. Most steam cleaners use gallons of soapy water along with a high-pressure application that drive buckets of water down to the backing and pad of the carpet, resulting in long dry times and creating a breeding ground for mold, mildew, and bacteria. Chem-Dry's process uses about 80% less water, which is kinder to the planet, and a lower pressure application, allowing you to have clean, dry carpets in 1 to 2 hours instead of 1 to 2 days. Our green certified cleaning solution, The Natural, is safe for carpets and non-toxic, so it's also safe for kids and pets. Why does all of this matter? Because Chem-Dry isn't just focused on cleaning your carpets, upholstery, and other surfaces. Our mission is to leave you and your family with a healthier, happier home. Chem-Dry. We clean for your health like no one else.